Hello, I'm Braxton Evelyn, the Beauty Food Chick. Welcome to my channel, a place where you'll find a lot of tips and tricks for food and beauty. Today, on the Beauty Food Chick, I have to show you how my week went. It started off by me going shopping at LG. So I basically needed to physically see these items that we are planning to purchase. That would be my organization. And so I made a deposit and signed off an agreement for the items to be delivered. And I said to myself, Human, show off this LG and walk out. And I made a quick dash to Utako Market to pick up another order that Mohammed helped us to put together. I don't know if you guys have watched any of my market vlogs. If you have, I am sure you remember Mohammed. And if you haven't, well, this is Utako Market, and here is Mohammed coming with my consignment. And there was just a lot to do at my workplace. And so, distribution of labor happened today. And it was just a quick basic prep for a training.
So, this is Mohammed, the troublemaker boy. When you come to Utako, look for him, see him with his red teeth. Troublemaker boy, silly boy.
And so by the time I was done with Mohammed, the items I paid for had arrived at my office for delivery, and this is me taking delivery of the items. And too much work. So we are taking the order, Mr. Arome and I. Where's Mr. Arome?
Yeah, that's that.
Mr. Arome is on the phone.
Just now, it will be
Walking and walking. Everybody's
solar
walking and
people
walking.
that
Yes,
are
yes.
suitable for this.
He's dealing with solar.
Some sockets don't have lead. Yeah, they are responsible.
All right, guys,
for that.
let's go. And look at Mr. Jonathan. I hope he has eaten well.
You are not eating well. That's just the point.
Arome, you have not eaten well.
No,
Arome says he has not eaten well. Does he look like somebody that has not eaten well?
When they stop this in the morning,
Ha! It's been a tough day. He's saying the truth.
to be very frank, eh?
Oh my God! I haven't even eaten. You have you eaten? Banda wannan. Shikenan.
All quiet, yes.
Sauran zai kai cafeteria. Guys, I don't even have energy to talk. Honestly, this past 1 week was just so crazy. Oh my goodness. Everybody was so overwhelmed. But the beauty of it is we all love this job so much. And guys, or will I say humans, if I get paid for all the times I sign my signature on a document, I'll be rich. So we're getting ready for the students. Our office is just a mess, but guys, it's part of it. And this human being here is super excited because, oh my God, guys, get you a babe
from Southern
that knows
Kaduna.
WhatsApp. From Southern Kaduna.
Kaduna.
See how he's blushing.
From Southern Kaduna. In
She
your
got
next life.
she got lunch for us,
Oh.
right?
Man,
All right.
after today's
Meanwhile,
hard work.
we have a lot to do. We still have a lot. So it's time to eat lunch. All right. Next slide. This is free advert. I'm not the advert for that. So I said we had a training, right? Now we have a guest who is gonna be in charge of this training, and I had to pack this welcome basket for her, and I did this with so much joy, and I just love my job. My job is versatile. I get to do a lot of things, and I am ready with this basket. I'm laughing because you see like a 360 going on behind the scene. Well, Mr. Eric is the spinning wheel and he did not want to be in this video, but I bullied him to continue the 360, and it was just so fun to work with him. Honestly, guys, my organization is such a place where you are allowed to be yourself, but in being yourself, make sure you do not play with your job. And it's back to desk duties, and this is and I think that was Simon. Simon came to help out. No, he came to ask if he could help out because we were sorting. We're sorting stationaries for classes, and we had Simon and Ethan volunteer for us. We also had the rest of our department coming to help Mr. Eric and I, because guys, this work is a lot. It is a lot. So Mr. Eric recently joined my department and he was like, oh my god, you guys work too much in this department. He said, well, you know, you guys are always so... That's Simon and Ethan, and this is Esther. You guys are always so playful, and that is Mr. Paul. So it doesn't look like there's a lot in this department, but oh my god, there is a lot. That is Eric saying that.
Where did they even keep these color pencils? We'll still make time to do a video and speak. And you hear us? Yes, they are. You start with the book.
This is another day, and this is a meeting to make headway concerning a particular department, and Miss Peace closed us with a word of prayer. I am back on my desk and it continues work. Well, that's basically how my week at work turned out. And it was time to boogie over the weekend.
We're grilling. Uncle Bobby's Grill. We're grilling. It's grilling time. Yo, let's grill, bro. This is Mr. Patrick. The pot win as well. Togo, this is my guy, Togo, the guy on the studio, man. Togo, mad griller, man. This is Arinze, my man. We on the grill every day, every time.
So it was our friend's birthday, and my brother, Uncle Bobby's, was on the grill. There was just a lot of fun. People danced.
Meet my sister Linda. That's our principal.
It was just such a lovely night celebrating Binta. She is such a sweetheart. Please like this video, leave me a comment, let me know what you thought about this video, and you may want to consider subscribing if you haven't. I guess I will see you in my next video. I love you. Mwah.